as I was about to record this video, this drone fell out. The stuff that you're supposed to be eating, it ain't cute. It's delicious and nutritious. Got a little egg on there. Got a little pork on there. Got some vegetables, you know what I'm saying? The verduras, right? The damn vegetables. Now, see, this is social media shit. I don't like talking while I'm eating. I don't really like watching shit while I'm eating. Unless it's a movie and I'm watching popcorn or some snacks or something. But when I got something of this size, see, I can't even show my face. I'm gonna isolate the audio or some shit. I don't know. But I'll do that. You know what I'm saying? When I got something of this magnitude, with all this going on, I'm probably about to take off the onions because they fucking me up. That's doing too much. And they're raw. Not supposed to do that. No. Yeah, no. That's making me not. Ugh. Yuck. Making me nauseous. But minus the raw onions, I like to focus on what I'm focused on. You got the little egg in there. You got the cow. And you got the pork as well. Unless that's beef bacon. But I doubt it. Gotta focus on the angles, the balance, you know? Cause I'm posting this video so that my husband knows that I like to fucking eat. If you could only read my mind, because then I gotta remember what I said. Big body. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. You get what I'm saying, because this is holistic. That's what this is. Holistic. Because you got all the things. Got your tomato. Got your little lettuce. Got your little pickle in here as well. You know what I'm saying? Got the bacon. Got the egg. Got the cheese. I'll talk to y'all later. Make sure you do your food. If you could only read my mind. Because what I said was, that's why I'm be doing those social media stuff when I be eating, because I got to my food. And make sure I'm breaking down all them little pieces. To get that digestion going. Get that little cheese off your lip.